Hello, my name is Sunny Lee, Product Manager with Zebra Technologies. Today we're going to perform an unboxing of a Zebra ZT411 Industrial Printer, just as soon as the printer shows up. Actually, over here, Raul.
Oh, delivery for Sunny Lee.
Thanks, Raul. First things we'll do is remove the power cord and setup diagrams and set those aside. Next, we'll remove the packaging materials. Next, we'll remove the printer from the box. The easiest way to do this is to grab the plastic bag that the printer's in. Next, we'll remove the printer from the plastic wrap. And next, make sure to hang on to your packaging materials just in case you need to ship the printer in for service or ship it to another facility. Now that the printer's been removed from the box and you're ready to set it up, this is a really crucial step. Make sure that before you plug the printer into a computer that you go to our zebra.com support site and download Zebra Setup Utilities, the URL on the bottom of your screen. You can also access the Zebra Setup Utilities download area by going to zebra.com and clicking on the Support and Downloads tab. Once in the Support and Downloads section, scroll down until you see the big blue box. In the box, begin typing Zebra Setup, and the predictive text will generate a link. Once you see Zebra Setup Utilities at the top of the list, click the link. Now that we are in the Zebra Setup Utilities section, there are links to the various supported OS types for Windows, Android, and iOS. There are also links to helpful tutorial materials. To download Zebra Setup Utilities, scroll down slightly and click on the download link under the software section. Click to accept the end user license agreement. Once the file is downloaded to your computer, double-click the executable file to start the installation. Then follow the prompts to install the software. Now that you have Zebra Setup Utilities installed, you can connect the printer to the computer via a USB-A cable. The ZT411 requires a standard USB-A to B cable, which is not included with the printer. Next, we are ready to plug in the power cord. Now we are ready to power the printer on. The printer can be powered on at the switch at the rear of the printer. Next, we'll demonstrate how to properly load the media inside of a Zebra ZT411. First step is to open up the bifold door. Open up the print head. Open up the supply guide. Open up the hanger guide. Load the media on the media supply hanger. Route the labels underneath the print head. There's also guided pathways on the back plate. Push the media supply guide back, as well as the media supply hanger guide. Next, we'll install the ribbon, again following the guides on the back plate. Slide the ribbon onto the spindle. Route the ribbon underneath the print head and onto the supply hanger, and rewrap several times onto the spindle. Close the print head. Now that we have Zebra Setup Utilities installed and the media is installed, we can go through the configuration.
From the Zebra Setup Utilities dashboard, you can configure and set up all the parameters for your printer. First, from the Printer section, click and highlight the printer you wish to configure. Next, the 6 buttons in the Printer Configuration section will launch setup wizards to help you through your setup. From these buttons/wizards, you can configure your media settings, print quality, and connectivity settings. You can also download fonts and graphics if needed to the printer. From the Printer Tools section, you can perform helpful common commands like printing a configuration label or upgrading the printer firmware, just to name a few. Clicking on Open Communications will also allow you to send and receive commands to and from the printer. Now that our printer is all set up and the media is loaded, we can click on Open Printer Tools and click on Print Configuration Label. And that was a short overview on the out-of-box and setup of a Zebra ZT411 printer. I hope you found this video informative. Please stay tuned for more helpful instructional short videos from Zebra.